Buyers, who's choosing the homes you see? Is that you or is that your real estate agent? You see, the old school way that real estate agents work with buyers is that the agent picks 3 or maybe 4 homes that may or may not match your home buying criteria. This agent then wastes your time by driving you to the homes only for you to find out that it's either too big, too small, or in the wrong location, or maybe something else. And because most agents don't sell many homes or have access to exclusive and trademarked home search systems, they can only show you a sliver of what's available. Now this is all wrong, and worse than that, you may be missing out on a great deal. Our VIP buyer system is radically different and get you what you want, the best home that matches your criteria and for the best possible price. Every evening, our exclusive software systems do extensive searches on all new and existing homes for sale through our own networks, as well as homes listed through the MLS. All the homes matching your home buying criteria are flagged for review by our certified team. We review the results and find you the best real estate buys in the community. As our VIP buyer, you get priority access to the hottest new listings and homes for sale, which can help you beat out all other buyers. We then negotiate hard to get you the most home for the least amount of money. Our certified agents provide this as a free service, and you are never obligated to buy a home. Here is our guarantee. If you end up buying a home which was not sent or shown to you by our certified agents, they will pay you $1,000 towards your closing costs. If you need more information on this topic or want to interview one of our certified agents to help you with your home buying process, please email, call, or text me directly. We wish you all the best in finding the home of your dreams.